Folly Farm began as a dairy farm and they diversified into what the business is today, one of the largest attractions in Wales. From a very young age, I worked here in the school holidays, and as I've grown in the company, I've moved on to the farm department. It's very important to keep up to date with best practices. Farming's always changing. So I approached Farm & Connect as I knew that they were able to offer me with a wide range of skills and opportunities to develop in areas of my knowledge that was perhaps lacking. E-learning is a fantastic opportunity to undergo training in your own time. So the most recent e-learning modules I've done are things on soil health, so that's very topical at the moment. Other things such as quarantine and biosecurity modules that I've undertaken. With the personal development plans, they're a very good opportunity to set goals and ambitions. So using my local development officer, I was able to work with them in getting that sorted and able to plan out a future of learning. And with Stofio Sgiliau, that's a very good opportunity to access your information all in one place. You know, you've got a record of all the e-learning modules and other qualifications that you've carried out through Farm & Connect, and it's there to reference to develop CVs or evidence personal development at any point in time.
Farm & Connect has something to offer every farming and forestry business within Wales. There's a wide range of services on offer, from your clinics, your events, through to training. So we have over 70 short courses available for face-to-face training. With e-learning, they are fully funded online, short, concise e-learning modules. They are available to any registered Farm & Connect individual. There's a whole host of courses available, ranging from your grassland through to your animal health diseases, right through to your business courses. So there really is something to suit everyone. If you visit the website, it has a whole range of information on there of all the services that are on offer. You can contact the service centre or contact your local development officer. Again, all contact details are available on the Farm & Connect website.
Being open to the public here at Folly Farm, it's very important to have the best quality stock on display at all times. So having excellent soil health and grassland management, which I've learnt through Farm & Connect and e-learning modules, has been very, very vital to the operation of the farm department here. I'm always looking for something new to learn. I love learning. It's always something to learn about, you know, even just to keep reminding yourself of what's going on. So I think the next on the list is definitely sustainable farming and trying to reduce our carbon footprint here at Folly Farm as much as possible.